Okay, what this one is asking is to identify which one of these guys are solutions to these guys so we don't have to actually solve. Um, what you can do is one way to do this actually is just to solve this and just know what it is. But what we're trying to do is get some extra practice on whether when I get my answer, how do I figure out if it's correct or not. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug each one of these in for this equation. So x equals -1. That means anytime I see an x over here, I'm going to put in a -1. So I'm going to go 4 multiplied by x, which I'm going to have -1 there, minus 1 equals 3 times x, which is -1, plus 1. And so I do all this. I go, well, 4, -1, minus 1, because I need to do parentheses first, because I need to know my order of operations. So this becomes -2 equals 3. And then actually, let's simplify that. So this becomes -3 plus 1. So this side over here becomes -8, and this side becomes -2. So we know that doesn't work because -8 will never equal -2. So that does not work. So let's try the next one. So the next one here is 2. So we're going to do the same thing. But this time with 2. 2. Plus 1. So this becomes 4 times 1 equals 6 plus 1, which ends up becoming 4 equals 7. And we know that doesn't work because 4 will never equal 7. So let's erase that. So let's try 5. 5 minus 1 equals 3 times 5 plus 1. So this becomes 4 times 4, and this equals 15 plus 1. So this becomes 16 equals 16. And yes, that does work, which means 5 is a solution, but these other two are not.